Tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a cool vintage photo in Adobe Photoshop CC. Alright, grab your image like that. First you want to go to camera raw filter. If you don't have that, right click, rasterize, filter, camera raw filter. Make sure that these are the settings. Basically, you're going to make it look black and white. Go to image, adjustments, and you can even desaturate the image. Next, we will drag a vintage paper or image, just like that. Pretty decent. And then go over to here, and you can overlay it, and this is what this looks like. I like linear burn. We're going to change it to 50, and I like that. We're going to add another vintage picture, like that. I do like the soft light. We're going to change that to 50, opacity. Click on the image. Go to over here, go to filter, noise, and then add noise. And you can even add some noise just depending on how much you want to add. 10% looks good. And then Gaussian blur. Okay, that's not too bad. And if you want, you can go back to image, adjustments, and you can even add a punch of some contrast if you want on your image. Well, this doesn't really add too much. I'm dragging this to the left, or 50 on the image. And then go under here, and then go under to gradient map, and which is basically just making this so it's a little bit of a color. As you can see, it's color gray. Let's this around like 25%, more or less, give or take. And if you want this to look a little bit better, you can always add more of the paper, like this, as you can see. And this is the before, and this is the after.
Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours of money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.